My daughter Dara, she needed treatment, compassion and care. Instead, she was criminalised and stigmatised. And while she waited for a doctor in her police cell, a guard shamed her online. If she had been treated with the dignity and respect, she might still be here today. Dara said a year before she died, she wrote, "I was being prepared to guard my own sense of identity, both from the drug and from the standard Irish tough love model of shame and guilt. Respect and dignity were things that I was going to find myself piecing back together." One of the unseen struggles of recovery from addiction is a constant battle between what you know is true, a desire to make it out the other side, pitted against a society which views addicts, particularly women addicts, as moral hazards to be controlled and contained. Maybe will I do that again? Particularly women addicts.
Do you want to do the second? So your first part was perfect.
Yeah.
And then you went straight to that second piece. So if you want to try the second piece again, with either of them.
Okay. Is it okay me looking at my phone though, or does that look like really? Mind you, I'm reading Dara's words, so that's okay.
Maybe when you start again, maybe say that. I'm going to read some of her words. I'm going to share some of her words.
Yeah.
With you. Yeah.
Okay. All right. There's two people wondering, can they walk down? So Dara wrote the year before she took her own life, and these are her words. "I was being prepared to guard my own sense of identity, both from the drug and from the standard Irish tough love model of shame and guilt. Respect and dignity were two things I was going to find myself piecing back together. And one of the unseen struggles of recovery from addiction is a constant battle between what you know is true, a desire to make it out the other side, pitted against a society which views addicts, particularly women addicts, as moral hazards to be contained and controlled. I can understand how easy it is to see the figures and reduce the people behind them to one idea, one label, a stereotype, a junkie. It can be a struggle at the best of times. We live in a post-theocratic society, and being a heroin addict, a junkie, even the most right-on liberals find it difficult to imagine anything other than the stereotype. I'm speaking as a family member, and we had a conference last September in Dundalk at which over 200 family members and service providers attended. Out of that came that about 2/3 of family members felt such stigma and shame that it impacted their personal relationships, their societal relationships, and it prevented them seeking help. Criminalisation of the drug user is a major factor in this stigma and shame which spreads itself onto the family as well as the drug user.